see student, they are asking, what they are asking here in the question number 3 student, we have to arrange the following fraction in ascending order. Again I am noting down the question. Arrange the following fraction in ascending order. Already you have studied about ascending order in the last class. What is ascending order? When we arrange number from small to big. Okay, same like in counting. Now see student, a number question only I am explaining you. All other question you have to try yourself. It is very easy and interesting also. You already know how to do this. Now look at the blackboard now. Now whenever, first of all, first rule is you have to see whether denominators are same. Yes. This all 11, 11, 11, 11. It is the like fraction. Okay. So student, how we arrange the number? We arrange the number according to ascending order by seeing the number in the numerator. Smaller number to bigger number. So which is the smallest from here? 3. Second one is, so we not see this now. Now 9, 7, 6 and 10. Which is smaller now? 6. After that 9, 7 and 10. 7. Afterward 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one is 10. Okay. Then we note down their denominator. Okay. Understood? In this way we arrange in the ascending order from small to big. 3, 6 in the ascending order means we are doing in the smaller number to bigger number. 3, 6, 7, 9, 11 and denominators are same. Then afterward 3 upon 11. After which is greater, 6 upon 11, 7 upon 11, 9 upon 11 and 10 upon 11. Okay student? Understood now? Now next question is, now I start the new exercise. In that next question we will study comparison of fraction with unlike numerator and unlike denominator. Okay student, it is also very interesting. So it is exercise 25. Here question is, we have to put, we write down here fill with these symbols. Okay student. So A number question I am explaining. It is question number 1. A number explaining. I am explaining here 2 upon 5. We have to put here the symbol. Which symbol is coming here? But children, one more important thing I want to explain you. First of all, you see here where denominators are same, then we go accordingly to last question. But it is different now. Denominators are not same. So I tell you one method how you do this question now. Okay. So in this type of question, if denominators are different and numerators also different, then what we have to do? Then we have to do according to cross multiplication. I explain you children, wait. What is the meaning of cross multiplication? Now see, numerator of the first fraction multiply by denominator of second. Okay. And numerator of second fraction by denominator of first. So we note down like this, 2 multiply by 8. Okay student, 2 multiply by 8 and leave some gap here, and 5 sevens are or 7 fives are means 7 multiply by 5. Okay, we will write here and 2 eights are 16 and 7 fives are 35. Now children, tell me which number is the greater, so that we put open sign towards that. This number is the greater. Okay student, this means that what we come to know, this means that 7 upon 8 is the greater fraction. Open sign toward that. So directly we write down 2 upon 5. It is 7 upon 8. So this side is greater. Open V toward that side. Understood? I explain you one more question children. Now see, you note it down. Okay. I explain you one more question. Question number B I explain. Okay student. Question number B I solve this side itself. Question is 3 upon 4. Again we have to put the symbol. We go again in the same way by doing the cross multiplication. Already I explained you how we do the cross multiplication. All of you know na? It is 3 multiplied by 5 and 2 multiplied by 4. Okay student, 3 5s are 15, 2 4s are, which side is greater? This side is greater. Open it over this side. So we write down like this, 3 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 5. Clear? Note it down. I wait. Afterward I explain you one more question, and rest of the question you have to try yourself at home. Now shall I rub now? I am rubbing this. Okay, one more question I explain. I am explaining you now E number. E number 4 upon 6. Next is 6 upon 9. Again the same method. First we note down the fraction like this, and we put the arrow in this way to solve the cross multiplication. 4 multiplied by 9 and 6 multiplied by, what we are saying here? We are saying here we are getting the same answer. So we put here equal to sign. So we note down the fraction like this and we put here equals to sign. Clear student? Note it down. And which question you have to solve for homework? Tell me. Which question you have to solve for homework? You solve question number. I explain you. Wait. Which question I have solved here? I have solved here question number A, question number B and question number E. And all other question you have to try yourself. Is it okay? Now see the question number 2. May I rub this now? In the same exercise, question number 2, heading of this question they have given in the book. As according to book, compare the following. Question number 2 is compare the following. Here they are given in the mixed fraction. Which are the mixed fraction having the combination of whole number and proper fraction? I will show it to you. Wait. Second fraction is like this, 2 3 by 4. Now I explain you better. Wait. Now see here, it is 2 is the whole number and 3 upon 5 is the proper fraction. Again 2 is the whole number and 3 upon 4 is the proper fraction. Now first of all, what we have to do here? So first step, children, we have to change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. How we will do? You already know this now. We already done this on Zoom class. In our Zoom class now. Now see again here. Again I write in this way. Multiplication between whole number and this denominator plus numerator. Here also the same thing, multiplication between the whole number and denominator plus numerator. So we write in this way, 5 multiplied 2 plus 3 upon 5. Here 4 multiplied 2 plus 3 upon 4. Understood this? Okay. Now we solve. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. I am getting here 13 upon 5. Okay student. And it is little bit lengthy question. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Next one I am getting 11 upon 4. Now we have to compare. Again we are getting the same thing like the last question. Now we do here, what we do here now? Now we do here again the cross multiplication. It is like this, 13 4s are and 11 5s are. I start from that side. All of you know 13 4s are, you know na, 3 4 4 to 12 का 2 carry 1 4 1 जा 4 5 52 and 11 5 जा 55. Okay student, which is greater? This side is greater. This means that 11 upon 4 is the greater. But we don't have write down in this way. In what way we should note down? We note down directly in the mixed form like this. So understood all of you? Which is the greater fraction now? Which is the greater mixed fraction? 2 3 upon 4 is the greater mixed fraction. Have you all understood now? And all of the question you try yourself. Okay student. Now see the question number 3. Arrange the following in ascending order. It is clear? You try all of the question with your own. Now I rub this.